good, guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a unboxing. I got 3 packages, 1, 2, and 3. So I don't know in which one it is, but the Endeavor from the new My Hero Academia wave is in one of these boxes. But I ordered 2 more pops to, add to my Naruto collection, so I'm gonna just unbox it in this video as well. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're gonna start with this one. So I should just tell you what pops I ordered since they're not new. Well, the other ones are not new, the Endeavor is. But I ordered Kakashi and Sasuke. I'm not gonna tell you which one it is, but if you've gone in my channel and seen my Funko Pop collection, you know what I have and what I don't have. So okay, so this is the Endeavor. Damn, that's fire, bro. No pun intended. Yeah. Here's the box. Side of the box. That's the new wave. So if you have seen my last video, I'll link it at the end of this video. Or I will just pop up pictures like right here. I got Overhaul, Kurogiri, I think it is, and the new Himiko Toga one. Pretty dope. Big fan of the villains in My Hero Academia. I honestly like this one better than the original one, the GameStop exclusive that's already out. That's fire. No pun intended. Yo, that's crazy. Right here. So I like how they added the pose and a lot more fire. Endeavor is a good... his character is cool. He was an asshole at first, but I get where he's coming from. I'm gonna do close-ups and shit. The fire. It's going around his shoulder as well. And he has fire on his fist. And then the base. I like the little pose he's doing. But yeah, this is way better than the original Endeavor that they already have out. I'm glad I copped it because it's pretty dope. Damn. Alright, so we're gonna go to the next one. So that was Endeavor. So now we got this package. We got like 20 box cutters. So this one, I don't know if it's the Kakashi or the Sasuke. Okay, it's the Sasuke one. So this one, I've been contemplating for a while if I wanted to get it or not. I've gotten like almost every Naruto like character or pop that they've made, and I just never pulled the trigger. But they had it at a price that I couldn't pass up. So here we have Curse Mark Sasuke, and I didn't even know they were gonna send it in a pop protector. Nice. So here's the box. The glare is so bad. There it is. It's the bag. The side. So let's pop. Tap pop. Let's
stop it. Get some help.
Pop this open. I'm glad I finally copped it. I've been wanting this one for a little while now since I started collecting. And I finally just pulled the trigger on it. It was at a good price. I didn't even know it was coming with a Funko pop protector. But yeah, if you don't like Sasuke, You know, the shows make you want to like the main characters, but Sasuke, I don't know, he just has a different vibe. This is dope. Very cool. I like how it's going down his arm. So here it is. I like the Chidori. I don't really like the yellow eye, but hey man, it's the only Sasuke Funko Pop that has a Sharingan on it, except for the anime's moment that they have. I didn't even know they had a sword. That he had a sword. There you go. Pretty cool pop. Definitely better than this original one that I have right there. Finally pulled the trigger on it. I'm like 85% like close to finishing my Naruto collection. You know, the Naruto pops and the Kurama pops are very, very expensive. And I can't wait till the new Naruto pops come in too. Well, not come in, till they release. So yeah. Curse Mark Sasuke. Last package. Kakashi. You see the direction of this video. You already know that it's Lightning Blade Kakashi. Been debating on it. Found a price that I couldn't refuse. And yeah. Here's Lightning Blade Kakashi. Here's the box. Super dope. This one's another one that I've been contemplating on for a while. The price has gone down a lot since when I started collecting, which wasn't very far. Like, I've been collecting since the start of quarantine, so alright, so super dope. I like how they made this Lightning Blade different from Sasuke's, cause usually Funko be tripping. Sharingan in the scar looks cool as fuck. It's dope. So here's the Lightning Blade, the Sharingan, and then the rest. Super dope. Yeah, super dope. I'm glad I pulled the trigger on the Sasuke and Kakashi finally. So that was Kakashi. And yeah, those are all the Funko Pops today. This new Endeavor one, definitely like it more than the original one that's already out, the GameStop exclusive one. Definitely more details. It's in a pose, it's not just standing there. This new wave really might be the best one out. If you've seen my last video, I'll probably link it at the end of this video. But definitely recommend copping these pops because they're the best ones yet in my opinion. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.